This video will show you how to add ID proof, images and other documents to a reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily add ID proof, images and other documents of a guest. Let us see how. Click the desired reservation. The single reservation panel opens, click View. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Add or Edit Details. The Guest Information panel opens. Click the image icon next to Upload ID. Browse and select the guest's ID. And click Open. The ID is uploaded to the guest profile. To add more documents or images, select the image icon next to More Info. Similarly, browse and select other relevant documents and upload them to the guest profile. Click Save to update the reservation. This brings us to the end of the video on how to add ID proof, images and other documents to a reservation.